Good afternoon. It is December the 8th, 2017, Friday. We've had ourselves quite a week. Had a good day trading today. Only had one day, I think, this week where the trading was pretty slow for the first 2 to 3 hours. But we'll have those. Not every day is as we hoped it would be. We'll start with the disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Or simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we started out today. Our first trade was 49 to 51, followed by 54 to 56. We were hoping to buy 45s to 47s. There were the trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we know where support and resistance are before the trading starts. And it's just a matter of from which side do we want to trade and what kind of volatility that we deal with. And unfortunately, we don't have enough volatility day in and day out to really kind of count on the Emini anymore. Looking at the F1 screen, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. Looking at the F2 screen, several distributions higher. This profile is actually starting to lean B inside the congestion area, so if I had to make a bet, close higher, lower, I close at the same spot and or lower. No news on money to speak of. Jolts, it's FOMC week, that tends to quiet things, so 54.56 sell 1, 59.61 sell 2. On the buy side, 45.47 buy 1, and 40.42 buy 2. Going to warm up. I think we're going to be 60 plus degrees here come Sunday, so the winds will definitely be blowing from the south. Dry as a bone, but that can happen this time of year for us. And they're not predicting a particularly cold winter for us because of La Nina. I haven't told Henry that. He would be disappointed. Okay, I didn't do a force tick rebuild here, but lower high, lower low on the bond, find a place to sell it. And looking at the F2 to confirm that. I had to restart it. You can see that we got a lower high and a lower low. Find a place to sell it. And we have a B pattern. So 11 to 15, sell 1. That's where we were today. 19 to 23, sell 2. The buy side, 1 to 5. And make it 25 to 29. Looking at the 30-year. Oh, 4 to 8 definitely number 1. 11.15 sell 1. And then 19.23 sell 2. I think we're headed lower. 3-year auction is Monday. That tends to be supportive, so we can be reasonably aggressive on the buy side. 20 to 24, number 1, 13.17 buy 1, and 5 to 9 buy 2. Looking at gold. Selling. Looking at F2. It's a P, but if we put it all together and look at the distributions from Thursday and Friday, it's definitely a B. So looking for a place to sell it. We had 51s, 53s, and 54s, 56s. So right now we'll make it 53, 55, sell 1. 58, 60, sell 2. On the buy side, 45, 47, where we were this morning. And then 40 to 42 for buy 2. Crude oil. Seller at 58 plus, buyer at 56, kind of right in the middle. This 57 area. Don't think a lot has changed. Have to look at the F2. Okay, higher low, higher high from Thursday, so F1 says find a place to buy it. F2 is leaning B in the congestion area, not totally there, but so right now we're just we'll keep the same trades that we have. On the sell side, we're going to lower it a little bit, 50 to 75, sell 1, 58 even, 58 and a quarter, sell 2. The buy side, 56.75, 57 buy 1, 56 and a quarter, 56.50 buy 2. And looking at the euro, very strong economic numbers this morning for the United States. Now, one of the things, all economic projections that are made are done on the basis of some linear regression analysis. It's curve fitting. And when the economy is expanding, they will understate the economic growth. When the economy is contracting, they'll overstate economic growth. And what we're seeing right now is pretty consistent, it's never 100%, but pretty consistent of the major numbers coming in a little bit higher than forecast, which tells me that the economy is on a growth track right now. 75 to 85, sell 1. The buck to 10, sell 2. On the buy side, 40 to 50, buy 1. and then 25 by 2. FOMC is next Wednesday. That'll tend to curtail activity. So we're probably going to have trading range markets until Wednesday afternoon at 2 Eastern. Hey, we've had a good week. I'm about had it, so I'm going to book it and get out of here as quick as I can. Wish you all a great weekend. Enjoy yourself. May all your teams win, and see you bright and early Monday morning.